Get ready, because today's video is fire. Today, I am cracking my last 6 mind-blowing live stream puzzles and riddles hidden tricks to enhance your brain power. So stay tuned. Let's begin. Question 1 is now on your screen, a super tricky IQ test puzzle that only the smartest minds can crack. Look closely at the numbers. Each Y hides a powerful pattern. At the top, we have 3 and 3 forming a Y, and the result is 15. Then we have 6 and 6, and the answer becomes 42. What's the secret? While bottom Y has 4 and 4, and missing number. Can you find that missing number before I reveal the number? Let's crack this. Here's the trick. Multiply the two top numbers, and then add 6. For the first one, 3 times 3 equals 9, 9 plus 6 equals 15, check mark. For the second one, 6 times 6 equals 36, 36 plus 6 equals 42, check mark. Now it's your turn. Bottom Y has 4 and 4, so 4 times 4 equals 16, 16 plus 6 equals 22, and that's the missing number. Did you get it right? If yes, you're a certified genius. More puzzles coming. Stay tuned. Now, question 2 on your screen. Interesting number box puzzle. Who confused everyone? Before I reveal the answer, if you have alternate solution, then comment it. Let's crack this. We've got a secret rule that's blowing everyone's mind. Square the last number, add the first, subtract the middle. Boom, let's hit it. Row 1. 5 squared plus 8 minus 4 equals 29. Easy. Row 2. 6 squared plus 7 minus 3 equals 40. We're warming up. Row 3. 5 squared plus 6 minus 2 equals 29. Back with another match. But now, the final row. This is where legends rise. Row 4. 9 squared plus 5 minus 3. And the answer is 83. Did you get it before the reveal? Drop your score in the comments and smash that like button if you love these wild puzzles. More brain busters coming your way. Question 3. We've got an interesting age riddle. I am 8 years older than twice my friend's age. If I am 26, how old is my friend? Let's solve this quick age riddle together. Let my friend's age be X. The equation becomes 26 equals 2x plus 8. Subtract 8 from both sides. We get 18 equals 2x. Now divide both sides by 2, x equals 9. So, my friend is 9 years old. If you got it right, you're a puzzle beast. Hit that like button and get ready for more mind benders. Question 4. We have 3 levels of basic maths, and each one gets harder. Let's see. Can you pass first 2 levels? Comment your answer. Because here, I only solve level 3, because 97% people give wrong answer of level 3. Let's solve together. Solution. According to BODMAS or PEMDAS rule, parentheses come first, then the implicit multiplications. So start inside the brackets. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now multiply. 5 times 5 equals 25, and 25 times 3 equals 75. So the expression becomes 45 minus 75 plus 3. 45 minus 75 equals negative 30. Negative 30 plus 3 equals negative 27. Level 3 complete. Now, question 5. On your screen, get ready to challenge your mind with this exciting math circle puzzle featuring red and blue circles. Red plus blue is equal to 24. Red minus blue is equal to 8. So what is the answer of red multiply blue? Think. Let's solve it. Step 1. We add both given equations, and we find value of red circle, which is 16. Step 2. Put the value of red circle in equation 1 or 2 and solve. I put in equation 1 and find the value of blue 8. Step 3. Solve final equation by multiplying red and blue. The final answer is 128. Did you get it before I reveal? Now the final puzzle on your screen. Stop right there. Only the sharpest minds can crack this puzzle. Let's see if you can find the hidden logic before me. Paused video and think. Let's crack the pattern. Look closely. 11 plus 11 equals 8. 13 plus 13 equals 16. 15 plus 15 equals 24. Strange, right? But there's a secret pattern hiding inside. It's not normal addition. It's actually 4 times the sum of the digits. Watch this. 1 plus 1 is 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 1 plus 5 is 6. 4 times 6 equals 24. So what about 17 plus 17? 1 plus 7 is 8. And 4 times 8 equals 32. Yes, the answer is 32. That's it. How many questions you solve before I reveal the answer? Drop your final score in comments. Hit like and subscribe for more challenges. See you in next video. Stay tuned.